Welcome back. So in this video we are mainly going to learn about the next category of cyber fraud is malwares. Now the term malware basically is a combination of two words, malicious software. So basically a malware can infect your machine, it can copy data from your machines, and malware is also among the top 5 threats to the cyber ecosystem. So now let's understand that what a malware can do. So basically a malware can slow down the computer, means a malware can slow down your computer memory. Malware can delete the files and data from your system, and the malware can also steal the files and data from your system. Now so many types of malwares are there. They can also copy your data from your machine, and then they can transfer such data on the different machines. So we can say types of malwares are there, where they can also act as the stealer malware, which can steal your data. Similarly, malware can also copy a kind of files or data from your machine. Means they can make multiple copies of that file. Or we can say malwares can create multiple types of shortcuts in your machine. In fact, malware can also damage the kind of data and file from your system. So different types of malwares are there, and these malwares are, we can say, based on their, we can say, modus operandi. They can perform the kind of manipulations, or we can say they can perform the stealing operations, or we can say they can make the multiple copies of that data. So now the questions come that what are the symptoms that the computer is having a this kind of infection. Means you can say what in the symptoms that our system is having this kind of infection. So now if your machine, you can say, is having a kind of multiple lags operation, means your machine is hanging, that means your machine is having the malware. Or sometimes if you are getting a multiple pop-ups websites coming automatically, or if you're getting a kind of alerts automatically, it can also be a kind of malicious code, or we can say a malware. If you are, we can say, your disk is getting a full, means you are getting an alert again and again regarding the storage full, it can also be the malware. Or let's say if your files have been deleted from machine, or if your file has been corrupted on machine, then also we can say the machine is having a kind of a malware. Or we can say sometimes can see a kind of emails which are being automatically sent. This can also be done with the help of malware. Or we can say if you're starting your machine and you are not properly getting to start the machine, means you are having kind of an issue regarding a slow boot, it can also be the malware. And sometimes if you're getting a multiple types of ads, you can say, in your browser, so it can also be the malware. So we can say there are multiple types of symptoms that the machine is having an infection of the malware. Moving next, the next category in the malware is all about the ransomware. So we can say the ransomware are also among the top 5 threats, we can say, in the cyber ecosystem. So in short, we can say the ransomware threats are, we can say, a kind of cyber kidnapping. So earlier we have seen that the kidnapping of any person has been done, but now the modus operandi has been changed. Now we can say the computer or a laptops can also be hijacked, or they can also be kidnapped. So after doing kidnapping, they used to raise fund, they used to raise the money. Now the machine will get victimized of this kind of ransomware, and then the machine will get completely locked. Means the attacker or the fraudster, they're going to completely lock the machine, and then they're going to demand some kind of money, usually in terms of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So similarly, we can say in case of kidnapping, here also in ransomware, we can say the attacker or the fraudster, they used to, we can say, lock your machine. They used to encrypt all your files with the help of some kind of encryption algorithms, and they used to demand some kind of ransom amount in terms of the cryptocurrency. So similarly, we can say the ransomware is also somehow similar to the kidnapping, but the kidnapping in terms of, we can say, the cyber ecosystem, where your machine or laptops can be hijacked or it can be locked.